Have you ever tried Windows 12? This isn't Windows 11, and it's definitely not from Microsoft. This is a Windows 12 emulator. It's clean and fast and shows exactly what Microsoft is missing. No ads, no bloatware, just pure design. The UI is incredible. Fast, the integrated brightness slider, and the bidded mode, something you usually see only in Linux. You can move widgets, monitor your system performance, and customize rounded corners without digging through messy menus. It feels like Windows 11, but it stripped all of the Microsoft clutter. And here is a catch. It's not a full operating system. It's a masterpiece built entirely with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project I found on GitHub, and it's a web developer flexing their skills, proving that a better UI is possible for Microsoft instead of throwing ads everywhere on a desktop and annoying users with useless ads. If you want this level of customization on a real operating system, Linux is the only answer. You can try this project by yourself. I will leave it in the first comment.